guys ready for your 10-minute timer to start?
Okay, 10 minutes and counting.
Great Shake Up Bake Up! Whoa! This is Larmy, the llama, and we're here to tell you what your ingredients are for the Great Shake Up Bake Up.
Shake it up, bro.
Alright, well, I'll start with the bottom of the pack. For dessert, we have a Dutch apple pie. That's what's happening. For the main course, primary ingredient, turkey breast fillets.
And to go with that, an American sweet potato.
Sweet as apple pie, some may say.
Broccoli.
Bam.
And now,
For the secret sauce ingredient,
drum roll.
pickles.
Ain't burning your tongue, you ain't doing it right.
Yeah.
America.
If it ain't burning your tongue, it's hot in the sun. That's what they
cooking.
also say.
But
They're
not.
sweet, but they have some heat, like Sour Patch.
Everything but the sweet. I don't do sweet.
What kind of direction are you guys going in?
Going the real down-home, southern style turkey hash.
Turkey hash.
Yeah, so I hope
Actually,
you're
that
ready.
sounds pretty fantastic. Not really what I think that we thought you guys were going to go for.
We haven't figured out yet what we're going to do with the pickles. Also, I just figured you put bacon in anything, it tastes better.
Welcome back to the Great Shake Up Bake Up 2019. We've got Chad Patterson here commentating what the current progress is.
Yeah, let me tell you a little bit about what's going on here.
And what we got here is something I also haven't seen before. It's some type of paste.
That might be a grand poupon, possibly.
Grand Poupon.
Yeah.
Huh.
Well,
The question really is,
Oh wow, look at that. There's a bunch of stuff in the oven.
here we got some cookies. We got some cookies going. Got some broccoli, Chef Emily's specialty. And then we've got an apple pie that we're just working with down here.
homemade.
Walk us through what you're going through, chefs.
So this is our little appetizer, you know, just a little teaser here at the beginning, made with a secret ingredient and some creative plating skills.
We should have made mustard the secret
I
ingredient.
know.
Lots of action happening here. Just to recap, we've got the chefs in the kitchen finishing off their meals and the setting up of the dessert. Kristen looks like she's going to be refreezing this ice cream.
What's the butt move?
Emily is chopping some of the secret ingredient over there. And then just awesome.
They're really coming down to the wire here, Rick. What is that, 50 seconds?
50 to go.
Final
Looks
plating.
Final plating, we
And
got an
we need the
appetizer.
pickles.
Where
We
do
gotta
they
get the
go?
pickles.
Oh, do you hear the
There's
excitement that's
sprinkling of
happening
pickles.
in the kitchen at this point?
On the egg.
Yeah, right on top of those eggs.
They're really starting to yell at one another. Oh man,
A little bit on
20
each side.
seconds to go.
20 seconds for the final plating.
They're really trying to count the number of pickles here to make sure that they're even. The judges will be looking at this.
Yeah, let's take a look at that.
Welcome back.
Let's get a close up of what this looks like. We got pickles topped on eggs over a turkey sweet potato hash with
Wow.
crumbled bits of bacon.
We're officially ready to dig in.
It's all done.
It's all done.
Wow, you guys did a really good job.
Look at the crowd going wild. Here it is, pickle, ham, a little apple.
Oh, no, right.
You know what that reminds me of, Rick?
What's it remind you of, Larmy?
Back when I was in middle school, my mom used to make me a ham sandwich with pickles. You know, it really brings me back to my summer childhood. I liked it.
Broccoli is good.
Where's the pickle? Where is it?
Tried to be impressed because
There it is. Found the pickle. And
well, I didn't cook it, but
piece of bacon.
We have ice cream soup with this homemade snickerdoodly.
Whole wheat snickerdoodle.
It's so good.
I'm gonna just call them snickerdoodlies.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's so good.
Super good.
Those are bad.